Hey, USA! Welcome to Flag Stewards, Be a Stud Citizen, half-staff alerts, and reminders from our flag, relaying daily civics information and historical memos, today being Monday, May 17th of 2021. So before we get into it, we got to always know where our flag is in terms of its position on the flagpole. And for those of you in the states of Texas, Colorado, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and Delaware, well, you can click on the link below and find out the details of your half-staff flag status and who those honorees are. Also, we'll let you know when these half-staffs are going to end. All right, today's historical moment from our flag. It's a pretty big historical moment. The end of public segregation. Yeah, pretty much a society-changing event. Happened on this date, May 17th in 1954. The Supreme Court voted unanimously, a 9-0 decision that per the U.S. Constitution, public schools must be desegregated, meaning they cannot separate schools of students based on their skin color, meaning no more all white or all black schools. This court case, officially named Oliver Brown et al. Versus Board of Education of Topeka et al., was brought before the U.S. Supreme Court by Thurgood Marshall and his team of lawyers. The U.S. Supreme Court decision was celebrated in much of America except the South, where segregated schools have been deeply ingrained in their way of life for more than 100 years. Yeah, that would be a heck of an adjustment, wouldn't it? So as you might imagine, there's lots of resistance, and it took a couple of decades to fully integrate or desegregate public schools in the South. Students like Ruby Bridges, the Arkansas, 5 or 7 or 9, I got to go back and look up, and many others had to nearly fight their way into Southern public schools to break the barrier and begin the desegregation process. Looks like I got some stuff to fix on this page too. And it's come a long ways, but hey, we still got our issues, not necessarily with desegregation as much as we do equity, inclusion, and other things, but those things are moving forward, being worked on. And today's inspirational quote from our flag: where you see wrong or inequality or injustice, speak out, because this is your country. This is your democracy. Make it, protect it, pass it on. That's right. That's from Thurgood Marshall, who was the lawyer on the winning team of Brown versus Board of Education. And he was later sworn in as a U.S. Supreme Court Justice himself. Thurgood Marshall. Where you see wrong or inequality or injustice, speak out, because this is your country. This is your democracy. Make it, protect it, and pass it on. I like that. And now it's time to recite the pledge. Students across America, at school or at home, inspired by the decision to desegregate schools, allowing children of all races and backgrounds to learn and grow together, please unite and recite the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That's it. That's our U.S. flag tribute for today, Monday, May 17th of 2021. This is Sean Sweeney, a fellow flag steward, signing off, saying go out and be a stud citizen. That means go out and be an awesome, good to each other citizen. Keep America beautiful on the outside and between each other. And remember, in God we trust.